Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this weekly AI news recap. A lot of things have been happening in the last week, especially the launch of Claude, the new Claude 3.5 Sonet, which is supposedly better than ChatGPT 4.0. As of today, things are moving very fast. At the time of the recording, it is better. Not sure when ChatGPT 5 releases, which is getting delayed because of some reasons. A lot of things happening within OpenAI. We send our AI newsletter every Monday. There has been a pause in these videos for a long time because of some emergencies back in the company where we had to do the AI residency program, which I will also talk about in the end. And we will again continue this weekly ritual every Tuesday, where we discuss the latest happenings, what we talk about in our newsletter, give you some demo of some of the latest cool things that are happening, and we filter out the most important news. Lot of things are happening in the AI space, but what affects the community the most is what we want to try out and give our community. So sharing my newsletter that I give, you might have received it in your inbox through your LinkedIn. This is the newsletter. The 3.5 is out. It is available for free, and it shines. And what I wanted to tell that it, as you can see in this benchmark that I shared, it is much better than all its peers, specifically you can say in the graduate level reasoning, the GPQA diamond, which is 59 compared to the others. You can see this benchmark in detail, but what comes out that it is right now the best compared to all the competitor models. To show you a quick demo, what I thought, I will do it live in front of you. I have done it. I have shared in the newsletter also that I had taken one particular document from a website, and then I got the I put it here and I gave a command, create the HTML code with inline. So I wanted to do it live in front of you. I have a table in my AI residency program, so this is a very simple table with some tick marks. Let me take a screenshot of this and try to generate an HTML code for this. What I can do is I can go to Claude.ai, and it is available for free. There is some limitations, up to 10 prompts a day or something. What we can do is we can paste this code here. We can see 3.5 Sonet, create HTML code. Why am I doing this thing with inline CSS is we don't want to create another CSS file where all the everything is there. We want the HTML code along with the CSS together so that we can display it. That is there. Very simple. Create HTML code with inline. I just put this screenshot and I'm playing it here. So now it is running. One thing that you need to make sure that it is generating the code and then it automatically goes here. One thing that I wanted to tell, let me just show you how the code is getting generated. Step by step everything is getting generated, and give it couple of seconds. It's very quick, and you can see there is some limitations, but there is a premium version where you can get 5x more usage that is there. So once this code is done, it's still running the code step by step. It takes some time to write all the code, and then you will see the preview, it is coming. So you will get a very similar preview that is there. At least you have got the context, everything, the context, the amount, the design is not that similar, but you can always reprompt and give here, but you got the picture what it is doing. It is giving you the whole thing here, and you can also mention here is give borders, give separate borders and color that is present in image. So this will give you a wonderful, and this will try to give a separate border with a small, with a gap like you can see here. And let us see, it will not give you exact, because this is an image in Canva, but it is converting into an HTML code, but it has done a very decent job. I want to try to do this thing, whether it will do it or not, but I hope you are getting the message. What it is trying to do, it is trying to look at the image, see what are the things that are happening, create a HTML code with inline CSS, and you will see why this code is becoming big, because the CSS factor with the color and everything is, they are trying to understand from the AI. The Sonnet has this very good feature, and this is really mind-blowing. Specifically, I really liked it. See, they took this first color list of features, they could not perfectly align it, so we have to mention few things here. That it is working little bit. Give a separate border, edit, give separate border with a gap, give separate border at every column with a at every column. So what happened, and the color and color of the column. So we need to be a little bit careful in the prompt. What we have done, it took the row wise, but we need to make it column wise. So we just try to change the code again, and you see how the prompting is working. So when we do not give it the specific information, it took it the column wise, but actually it is row wise. So this is a very, very amazing feature of Claude. That is an important thing that we will want to know. So this recording is happening, and this will also give you something that is, hopefully it is good, but you can see the little bit of things that are not proper. So we need to make sure that complete the investment, complete the ticks accordingly from the image, for the image, as it is not aligned, and so this some of the things that we need to make sure that we need to do properly. It is not taking it in the right sense, but hopefully you're getting. So this particular newsletter has become more about Claude demo, but it is important for all of us to know the feature that is there. So as this is happening, Claude right now is one of the good tools that is available for all of us to practice along. And see, this is somewhat you need to play around with this. What is actually happening is this is being taken as two separate lines, so we need to align the column as well as the row, but this is something that we need to keep reprompting. But the first one actually worked properly when I just did this particular thing, and we should try to do it again and again. Right now, if you can see what actually is happening, the alignment is not there. The numbers is correct, but the alignment is not there. So we need to write some code or tell them to do it if you want it very specific. But hope you are getting the message of how it is working. Now you can see two messages are available. So they have a very limited, Claude has a very limited message right now for all of us to practice for free. But this is hope you are able to get the whole picture out of this particular thing. So it is very good. The artifact is a new feature that we need to try out and take it ahead. So now for the next news, OpenAI for profit is something that you might have heard about, that Mr. Sam is trying to push it as a B Corp, in which it would not only have to consider profit but also its impact on the society and the environment, and have to balance the interest of the shareholder with the interest of the employee, customer, community, and the environment. So B Corp is something that they are pushing for, but there is a lot of dilemma because OpenAI initially it was built for non-profit, but right now there is a lot of things that is happening in the security space. It is taking a lot of time to get Sora to the public, and now ChatGPT the 5 version also to the public because of the security issue. So there is a lot of disputes between the former board and Altman about the direction of the company, and let us see what happens in this particular space. OpenAI is always in news for the good and the bad reasons that are there, and it is a space to be closely watched on Twitter, what Sam keeps talking about and what are the latest developments that are happening. There is one more controversy that the OpenAI has appointed the former NSA, Mr. Paul M. Nakason. He was in the military specifically for surveillance, and from the OpenAI press release, it was mentioned that AI's impact, how we can ensure that it is a benefit for the whole humanity, and AI can have a positive impact, but it has to have a lot of governance, and especially in the areas like cyber security and all these threats that are happening. So Paul's experience can really help from the NSA, that can really help and govern the OpenAI specifically in this particular space. But there is a lot of criticism, but because there is a conflict of interest between the NSA and this particular appointment that is there. Ilya Sutskever, he left OpenAI recently, and he has started his own company called Safe Superintelligence along with two co-founders. The company's only focus is safety and more collaborations between the AI and the humans. Google has also released a new audio model that can generate realistic sound effects for given video. So this is something that is very, very interesting. Videos have been getting generated, but the audio that is linked to these videos was taking some time. So this release is really, really good for Google, and Google has taken the front step, and it is available on the website. You can try to work around with it. And also 11 Labs has also done some release regarding video to AI model that can generate realistic sound effect for a specific given video. So seeing the video, so they are using a technology called video to audio, that is V2A technology, which makes synchronized audio visual generation possible. And this is a very good feature because you saw that videos are getting generated and audios are getting generated separately, and both are interlinked together, and there is a little bit gap between both of them. So both Google and 11 Labs are working towards making it a seamless experience. Now, one more thing about Apple. We all know that Apple has recently doing a lot of things in the space of AI in their WTC event as well, and in their launch that is coming in September. But one step towards open source is that they have made 20 core ML models on Hugging Face platform available, and this is very interesting. Core ML models, and these 4 datasets can really help the open source community, specifically on Hugging Face, it's a commitment for advancing AI by prioritizing users' privacy and efficiency. So this is a very good step from the Apple side. I will try to share some of these links that we have used for the video on the comments for you to have a look as well. TikTok, the parent company ByteDance, is doing a lot of things in the AI space, specifically the entertainment space, and this new Symphony avatars, which allows the users to create custom avatars that can talk in the video. These avatars are created using these AI technologies and can be used to create realistic and engaging videos. So TikTok is taking one step further to give AI for consumers at the product level, and these are some of the things that are really happening. some of the workshops that we are doing, and I'll request everyone to register. The link will be there in the comment. Stable diffusion to create professional images. This is something that is being asked by community members a lot, how we can use stable diffusion to create professional images. It can be face swap or anything that taking AI models image prompts and creating it by tweaking it. Everything will be discussed, how we can start your stable diffusion on your local or cloud system and tweak it. And there's a learning curve, but once you learn it, you can do a lot of things that are happening. Our physical meetup is happening this Thursday in Coders HQ Emirates Tower. We have two amazing panels. One is intersection of artificial intelligence and entrepreneurship, where we have 4 great panels who are going to talk about it. And then we have one amazing panel by the ladies, as we digitize, we need to humanize. So more about the human touch, that is very, very important in the space of AI. So if you're in UAE, in Dubai, please do come in and meet all of us. Our second 2 hours masterclass happening this Saturday. More about generative AI configurations like temperature, frequency penalty, what are the different LLMs, and how you can build projects output this. So this is a 2 hours masterclass. Do join if possible. This is the part of the AI residency where we go deep dive and try to answer questions of the community, plus give them action based learning that is there. Then in our community meetup, this online weekly community meetup, we have Mr. Paveen Bangera, who is the founder of Xverse, who's going to talk about customer experience in the digital age. And we are going to, while driving sustainable growth. So this is very important, right? AI is good, digital technology is good, but how we can balance it with sustainability. So these are some of the things that are there happening in the community. Lot of things happening. We try to give you the latest news in the text, video and AI space that really matters. A lot of things are happening in this region also in respect of AI and AI push. As a community, we are also working in giving the correct knowledge and the correct information to all our community members through these newsletters and through the workshops and events. Support us, join us, and share the word. Thank you, and see you in the next video.